What if? What if the decision to go all in is really worth it? About 3 months ago, maybe a little bit more than 3 months ago, I purchased this camera and this microphone, which I'm now using to record with DJI brand. And since then, I have gained 77 subscribers, 118 watch hours, and 50K views, which I mean, I'm not trying to brag here or anything. That's actually not even that good if you compare it to some other people. But all I'm trying to tell you is that if you just ask yourself, what if, every single day, what if today's the day that, I just decide that I'm going to start self improvement? Because you can't go back in time to change things, but going forward, you can make different decisions. And if you make this decision to start self improvement, it'll be a crazy journey, trust me, and it'll be incredible what you can accomplish and how far you will go in 1 month, 3 months, 9 months, 12 months, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. All these milestones and all of these goals are entirely possible based on your output and your enthusiasm towards your work. For example, if you want your work to seem enjoyable, then cut out every single distraction and every single like pleasure of the modern day world where because your work isn't enjoyable because you do all these other things that are pleasurable but they don't help you to improve, like eating junk food. Something that I've found to be very helpful is because right now we're in Thailand, and I used to have this electrolyte mix that I would mix into my water, but I ran out of it. So I still need to get lots of salt and sodium because I'm sweating balls every single day. Every single day. So I've replaced junk food. I know this probably isn't too much better, but it's salty and it's anyway, I'll just show you. Is salted and roasted peanuts because like I know they have a lot of saturated fat. I think that's what it is. But it also has lots of salt. Oh, it's got rice oil. That's probably not good. Whatever. Anyway, but it doesn't have that much sugar. It's got 2 grams of sugar, but it has lots of not lots of, but it's got more protein than if I were to just fucking gouge down on Lay's chips, right? Because junk food that literally solves your junk food issue. Just get roasted peanuts, and I've had days where I'll actually eat too much, and then I'll be my stomach will actually hurt, and I'll become sick because of it. But it is probably, and I'm hoping it's a lot better than chips. Guys, let me know if it isn't and if I should stop because. But yeah, that is something. So you can replace all these things, and then scrolling. If you still want to fucking consume content, go watch Hamza's main channel. He edits his videos where it's the Adonis Jeffrey videos. Go watch those videos. That way you'll actually be learning something as well. But it still gives you the little dopamine because I know you have TikTok brain. But like just start improving and see where the journey will take you. See like how much you can help other people too. This channel is free, and I have a lot of other resources you can go check out. I'll leave the link below that are also free because I want to help people. I genuinely do. Especially people that are my age, because something that I found to be the worst part of self improvement was having no other people that to improve with. I mean, this is a absolutely crazy chain of events, but I found there's 2 other guys, and that's it. There's only 2 other guys and they live in literally different countries. They literally live in different countries. But one of my other friends is actually moving to Canada, which is where I live. He's moving to a city about 3 hour drive away from me. So I'll see him probably once a month or once every other 2 months, which I'm actually so excited for. Andrew, let's go, bro. But I mean, even that that's why I kind of made my self improvement, not Discord, school group free. Was that hopefully if you're like me, you can join it and then Like being on self improvement is so lonely, but improving with other people makes it less lonely. If you can share your results with other people, then it makes it like so much better because the loneliness goes away because you're literally talking to other people. And like, sure, it's like online friends where it's like, oh, your mom tells you like, oh, don't, um, like you shouldn't talk to people online that much. You shouldn't become too attached to them. But it's like I'm actually genuinely improving with these friends, and it like takes away the loneliness a little bit. But if I can get like some guys into my group, that way we will all literally have like this place. That's my hope. I want to one day have like a lot of like this bro. This sounds so cooked, but like I want to have like young guys like the same age as me. I'll put that. I'll make sure I say that because otherwise it sounds so fucked. The same age as me, or like maybe like a little bit older, where I can learn from them and they can learn from me in certain aspects of life, where it's like the personal growth and self development journey. But yeah, like that is what I'm hoping to do with this school group. So please, guys, join, and your loneliness will become destroyed if you're on self improvement. Trust me. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. I'm kind of rambling on, but like and subscribe for more content like this. Help me hit my goals, and I'll give you value in return. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.